What's up, y'all? It's been a while, but had another unboxing. It's kind of off topic. It's not really anything gaming related, but just consider everything that's going on the past year. Um, Decided to get myself a handgun, and yeah, I put in my permit around July, late July. That's when I submitted it. Had to wait like four and a half, close to 5 months, something like that, for it to come back through. And I ordered this gun back in late September, but I had to just let it sit in the FFL dealer until I got the permit, and I got the permit in the mail today, so I just went and picked it up, paid the transfer fee, and this extra magazine here, I bought this like months ago. It's just been sitting in my apartment, but this here is the wish y'all could see it, but this is the Canik, or as it's pronounced in Turkey, the Canik TP9SF. This is the 1 series. You'll see why in a few moments, but yeah. So this cost me like $350 on Kentucky Gun Company, or KY Gun Co., or whatever they call it. So that's how much it cost me to get it. This is usually like a $300 pistol, but pandemic prices. What can you do about it? So let's open this thing up. See, slide these locks.
What is that?
Here we go. We get the case. We get some. Let's see. Let's turn it around. There we go. Yeah. So like that. All right. So get some paperwork. Welcome to the Canik family, or Canik family. Usual stuff. Join the NRA. I don't know about that. Let's see. This is a trigger lock there. I'll try it. I'll put it on, but I'm not sure I'm gonna keep it on there very much. Wish they came with one of those gun locks though. Yeah, all these other guns come with that. You can you loop it through the magazine, I guess, area of the mag well, and I forgot what to call it. The chamber. I forget all these terms, but there's an extra back strap. Might try that on it. I don't know if this is like a large or anything like that. There's also a tool that comes with it. Hopefully not messing up. Yeah, there's a extra back strap and a tool. Manual. I'll be looking at that manual for the gun. And yeah. Oops, sorry. Let's close that up. And here's the firearm itself. I have terrible lighting in this part of my room, so sorry about that. I'm trying to show you a good look at it. I'll probably take a picture of it later. I don't know. So it has this quality seal on it. Don't really add some tags. Yes, we could take that off though. We don't do that anymore. Shit. I forgot my unboxing knife. Pocket knife there. Use that. Open that up. There. Don't do that anymore. This is over. All right, there you go. So take that off. All right, so this is just for safety, so there's nothing in there. I just have to remove it. This seal that comes off. This little tag here. Let's see. Damn. This shit hard as hell to remove, huh? Damn. Take this shit off. Or I could just use the knife, but I don't want to like try it out. Yeah, seems to have some oil on it too. That's alright. Take this damn oil off. There you go. Alright, and that's it. And alright, remember safety. There you go, the slide lock is up. Show you, the slide lock is up. This little thing, I forgot what they call this thing. Safety purposes. So that's pretty much the gun. You drop the mag release button is right there. Drop the mag. Mag comes out pretty easily. So here's the slide lock, takedown lever. It's the trigger. I'll test out the trigger, show it to you. Okay, slide lock isn't hard to press, so that's a good thing in my book. So yeah, so there's nothing in there. Let's see. Definitely takes a little strength, but you can get it. So as you see here, there's the striker indicator. Damn, lighting's pretty bad, but yeah, striker indicator right there. Lets you know the striker is ready to fire. And up here, if there's a bullet in there, this will be lifted up a bit. You'll be able to like see like a red dot if there's like a bullet in there. I'm not gonna do it in this video or anything like that, but it's a loaded chamber indicator. So yeah, if there's a chamber in there, it'll see that little thing pop up. And but you could also just do a little press check too. I like the grip. Not sure what size backstrap this is. I don't know. I can get my whole hand on it. It's pretty good. There's a rail. The sights. I don't know. I'll show you all the sights. Yeah, it's bad lighting, but it's blacked out in the rear and has one white dot at the front. I guess the only thing we can do now is we can test out the trigger. I'm not sure if I want to do a takedown, but we'll test out the trigger. So I'm gonna rack it up. I don't know why to do that. All right, so I'm gonna test it. There's no bullets in there, so I'm gonna test it. All right. Let's see. Let's take up, pull. Alright, let reset. Yeah, it's a really short reset. Bang. So that's pretty much it so far. I'm not gonna do a takedown, but that's about it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I don't really expect too many videos like this anymore, but yeah, unless I get like another gun or something like that. But that's about it. Thanks.